I recently came across a puzzle where basically an entire corner was just not glued down. So as you can see here, some pieces were completely detached. This is how I found them inside the box, while others are just partially detached. This one's hanging on for your dear life there. So I got myself some glue, binder clips, paintbrush, and a little tweezers to help put them back together. So let's get to fixing. And for this process, I'm just using clear washable glue, if anyone is wondering. There we have it, all glued and pieced back together. I made sure to wipe off any excess glue that had seeped out the sides. But now we just wait for these to dry and they should be as good as new.